Now, mass protests erupted at the KIIT University campus in Bhubaneswar following the tragic death of a 20-year-old Nepali student named Prakriti Lamsal. The mechanical engineering student was found hanging in her hostel room on Sunday evening.
ऐसे क्यों मार रहे आप? ऐसे क्यों मार रहे हैं? ऐसे क्यों मार रहे हैं आप लोग? ऐसे क्यों मार रहे हैं?
Students accused the university of ignoring her repeated complaints of harassment. They claim Lamsal had reached out to the International Relations Department, but no action was taken against the alleged harasser, identified as Advik Srivastava. In another shocking move, KIIT University issued a notice ordering all Nepali students to vacate the campus. Reports suggest that they were packed into buses and left at the Cuttack railway station without travel arrangements.
अरे सुनो, फोरेंसिक इसके हाथ में नहीं है। वो लोग जब लाएंगे फोरेंसिक के साथ इसका कुछ संपर्क नहीं है तुम लोग का बैठने का। मैं समझ नहीं पाता हूँ। ऐसे जिद्दी करना अच्छा नहीं है, ऐसे जिद्दी करना अच्छा नहीं है। तो प्लीज तुम लोग जाओ अपना अपना हॉस्टल में, फिर जब आना है तो फिर टाइम लेकर आ जाओ। ऐसे करना अच्छा नहीं है बच्चे लोग। मैं बोल देता हूँ तुम लोग को, ये बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं है। इतना जोश में मत आओ।
Anger and outrage has grown over the university's handling of international students, with many questioning the forced eviction and the institution's response to the Nepali student's death. And now we have my colleague Nabila Jamal joining us on the phone line for more. Nabila, talk to us. The actions of KIIT has clearly enraged the students, both local and overseas.
Absolutely. From what we see here, shocking visuals coming in from KIIT Bhubaneswar. What's shocking is that the students were chased out of the university campus by their own teaching staff. Now, the reason being because the students raised questions about one girl who died by suicide, and the students wanted investigation into that matter. So the Kalinga Institute of Industrial Technology, that's what KIIT comprises of. This is a Bhubaneswari university. It's in Bhubaneswar, located in Bhubaneswar, very reputed, we hear, a private university, and it's come under criticism and fire for chasing away nearly 500 Nepali students. And reason being because these Nepali students protested against the university, asking for answers on a girl's suicide. So this girl, Prakriti Lamsal, who's a third-year Nepali student, she was doing her mechanical engineering, died in her hostel room. She was found hanging from the ceiling fan. This happened on the 16th of February, and her death resulted in a lot of anger and agitation. Students came together protesting, asking for thorough investigation into this case and for college university to ensure that the boy who has now been booked for abatement of suicide, a student basically from the same college, for harassing that girl. Now, the college university, instead of actually calming nerves and convincing their own student fraternity, has decided now to issue a notice saying the college is closed for all international Nepali students. Basically, in literally less than 24 hours after they launched that protest, the university decided to get all of them and their luggage packed up, dumped them into university buses and sent them away to Cuttack railway station, insisted that all these students, over 500 of them from Nepal, leave to Nepal with immediate effect. And shocking that none of them, in fact, most of the students, many of them girls, did not have tickets to go back to Nepal. They were left high and dry, had no money for food or tickets. But yet the college university, without giving them any kind of financial support, decided to chase them away overnight. Now, what's even worse is the xenophobic comments, the remarks that were made by the teachers in the university there. We hear that the university teachers, while chasing the Nepali students out, said, what are you talking about? We spend more on your welfare, more than what your Nepal national budget is. This kind of comment coming in from the university, why should the university not be booked for criminal negligence? It's a big question here on the way the university has treated their students, only for questioning the university as to why they did not intervene in this girl who committed suicide. We hear now the reason to why the college is held responsible here by the student fraternity is that this girl, Prakriti, who died by suicide, allegedly went to the college administration seeking for help. She wanted intervention. She complained to them saying that this co-student, another student, is harassing her. She may have been in a relationship with that boy, but nonetheless, she did seek help from the college university to help her out. But the university failed to intervene, and over a month later, the girl claimed her life. So the university, instead of solving the situation, has decided to chase out Nepali students, and students now left without a way out, and 1 week ahead of exams. So that's all the more shocking, leaving their future in balance now.